Yes, I've just got myself this chin mount. I never liked the idea of the helmet mounted cameras because I figured you're always looking side to side. But I think it's going to be really good off-road where I'm focusing straight ahead. You're generally looking ahead on the track, trying to look over crests and around bends. So when you're on the road in traffic, you're checking mirrors all the time, looking over your shoulder. These little mirrors I bought, they were about $25 on eBay. Somebody on the Ozstrom Facebook group recommended them. I read the post and thought, yeah, they look alright, and then about 2 days later, my left mirror developed a bad rustle. Something come loose inside it. So I went back and found the post and ordered them, and yeah, pretty happy with them. They sit a bit lower and wider than the standard mirrors. They have a lot more adjustment to them. I'll show you when I get to a straight bit of road. Okay, for these mirrors, got a lot of adjustment there. I'll put a photo up of my bike with one new mirror and one old mirror on it so you can see the difference in the profile. This would have to be one of my favourite rides here. It's nice easy road, loads of little traffic. I get the odd cyclist. The whole front of my bike's just come loose. Definitely to pull out. What the fuck's going on there? Oh yeah, so the front end of my bike was bouncing around. I probably should have a better toolkit than what I've got. That's just the standard one. I've got a tyre pump in there. This little fella's really good. Now it doesn't fit back in, of course. And I've got a tyre repair kit there. Lots of fuses and shit. That's all my tyre repair stuff. Never had to use it. good old KFC wipes in case I need to clean my visor. Alright, that's enough fart arsing around. Where's my key gone? I think that's it for the Acheron Way. Hope you enjoyed.